Hello there, welcome to my channel. Whenever we use Microsoft Excel, we sort our data based on some of the criteria. However, there are certain scenarios where only using normal sorting, you cannot sort your data. Whenever you sort your data, you do it only using one column, right? But those are single level of sorting. Did you ever tried multi-level rows and column sorting? In this video, I am going to show you the way how can you perform multi-level row and column sorting. So without wasting much time, let's get into the computer right now to see how can you perform multi-level rows and column sorting. Let me show you what I am talking about. If you follow my mouse, here you can see that I have a good amount of data here. Now there are different columns. In column number 2, there is country, and column C, there are products. Now, how can you do normal sorting? You just need to select anywhere. You need to go to Home tab. Then you can go to Sort and Filter, and you can click on Filter. Another way of doing it is, let me unselect from here, go to Data tab, and then click on Filter. So, this is normal filter. Now I enabled the filter, and if I go to country, and I can see there are multiple countries here, right? If I want to sort using country, then I need to select this particular column. I'll go to the sort and filter. Now then I'll get couple of options. I'll select the first one, that is sort using A to Z. Once I'll click on that, a pop-up will come. That what is saying that you have selected one column and you are trying to sort it. Do you want to expand your selection to the remaining columns also or not? So I do need that, otherwise this data will get jumbled up and it will not be useful. So I'll click on that, expand the selection, and then sort. Now you can see the data has been sorted using country, and it's sorted from A to Z, right? So first one started with Canada, and it started with C, and then it's going to France, and so on, right? You can see now then Germany came. Now, what if I want to sort it by product? If I select the product and then I sort it using A to Z, then it will again prompt me with the same thing, and I click on sort, then my data will get sorted using product. But now the country sorting is not there. You can see that the product name, and there are multiple different countries came. So that country level sorting, now it's not there. Now let's talk about multi-level sorting. What I want to do here, I first want to sort using country, and then keeping that sorting in place, second thing I'm looking for to sort using product. Now let me show you how can you do that. If you follow my mouse, you need to go to Data tab, and then there you will be able to find one option, that is sort. If I click on that, again it's asking for the expansion of the data. I'll click on that. Now you can see one pop-up came. In the backend, data, the entire data range got selected. Here you can see in the column, it's mentioned sort by country, and then sort on cell values, and then order is A to Z. Whatever we have already done, here you can see this icon gets changed, which means it's already sorted. That's why it pulled out the data from there, that the sorting is already there. Now, if I want to add another level, I can click on add level, and then first sorting will be on the country, then by product. Then again, the sorting will happen on the cell values, and then again it will happen from A to Z. If I click on OK now, then you can see that country level sorting is still there. It's Canada everywhere, right? But if you see the product, that now after A, C came, so it's got sorted. You can also see the icon got changed in these two columns, which means this multi-level sorting has been now enabled. You can see within Canada, multiple different products are there, and those have been sorted from A to Z. After I'll scroll down, then you can see France started, and then again product name started from A. This is multi-level sorting, And this is something you can use any point of time using this particular method. Now, before I conclude, let me show you a few other options. So if I select the entire data, go to sort, and first of all, if no sorting is there, then there is one checkbox, my data has headers or not. If you uncheck, you can see that entire data got sorted, including row header also. But if you check that, it will remove the first row from the sorting criteria. So this is one useful thing. Second is, if you go to options, you will be able to see a couple of things. First one is case sensitive. You can turn it on or off. Or second one is the orientation. Will it sort from top to bottom or left to right? First option is sort top to bottom, and this is our row level sorting. But if you want to do column level sorting, you can use the next one, sort left to right. So these are the options you can check, and I hope this particular tip will be very helpful for you. If you want to learn more such MS Excel related tips, I have a full course available. Please check the links in the description below. I have some of the free courses also which contain some of the Excel related tips. Also do subscribe to my channel if you want to watch similar content in future. Thank you for your time. Bye for now.